So at this time, I'd like to introduce the 1500 SE model. The 1500 SE model is the most powerful single motor unit on the market available to you here in Canada. Now, the 1500 SE model is designed like our other vacuums with 18-gauge thick steel, which gives this unit as well a quite phenomenal rigidity and strength. So, what sets an Aspirtech vacuum apart? There are always four elements: soundproofing, durability, power, and filtration. And this right here is a perfect example of a vacuum that meets all four expectations you should have when buying a central vacuum. Now, this unit is actually soundproofed at the factory. So you can tell there's no added cheap Chinese muffler gimmick on it. These are soundproofing materials manufactured right here in Canada, lead-free certified, and already installed inside the motor housing. So, no need to add anything for it to work and provide you with an impressive soundproofing performance. I'll take a moment right now to let you hear it. You'll see I'm standing near the vacuum and the noise will be quite reasonable overall. And it's not even connected yet, which would obviously reduce the noise even further. So you can see that this is a vacuum that allows for a healthy life in a home without polluting it with noise. Plus, the soundproofing itself is lead-free certified. The foams are certified lead and cadmium-free. So it's definitely not something that could, for example, cause long-term health issues, as we sometimes see with certain soundproofing materials filled with lead. So regarding soundproofing, you see it's different. What makes it so durable? It's the steel, among other things, and the motor cooling systems. So you'll notice here that there are small openings. Every vacuum on the planet, except ours, is equipped with only one motor cooling system. So the air in the vacuums enters here, goes through filtration. Once the air is clean, it cools the motor and exits here. But in addition, we obviously have that too, but you also see openings here and openings in the back, allowing for air intake in two ways. This will keep the motor cool, allowing it to maintain its power, prevent premature wear, and significantly extend its lifespan. So that's a major Aspirtech difference. Obviously, the fact that the motor, when it stays cool, it maximizes its power since there is no metal-on-metal friction as the steel does not expand. I'm going to show you the filtration now. Now, what sets Aspirtech vacuums apart is, among other things, high-quality filtration. We have two HEPA filtrations in a device like this one. HEPA, that means high efficiency. Basically, the stale air enters here and deposits the dirt inside the bag here. The air will percolate. And if the air was still slightly loaded with dust, it will be filtered again here. And what makes these Aspirtech vacuums so pleasant to use is the ease of maintenance. So we pull out the bag once or twice a year. You see at my fingertips here, there are small hollows. So we're going to go in and turn with the small anchors of the hose. There, the filtration is changed. The time when we cleaned a tank or had to shake the big filter is over. This one here, you'll shake it outside or rinse it every 10 years, so almost never. The filtration is the bag. The chore of cleaning a central vacuum cleaner no longer exists with an Aspirtech product. So, Aspirtech vacuums are different for these four elements. I hope that with the 1500 SE, you'll be satisfied because it's a product that will be effective even in a very large house.